Hey class, we're back, and today we are going to focus on common mistakes with was and were in the past. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at these three sentences. They were lost. Their phone died. Their phone was died. Two of these sentences are good. One of these sentences is bad. So, what is the problem with sentence number 3? The problem is we have two verbs together in the past. Was and died. We use was and were together with adjectives. They were lost. He was hungry. We were scared. She was lucky. The roads were dangerous. All of these sentences have an adjective. This is great. We use adjectives together with was and were when we are speaking in the past. Their phone was died. This is a problem. Why? Because the word after was is not an adjective. Died is a verb in the past. We cannot put was or were together with another past tense verb. Their phone was died? No. Their phone died. They were scared. In sentence number 2, I can use were because the word after is an adjective. Scared. Let's look at some more examples. She was hungry. She didn't eat lunch. She wasn't eat lunch. No. The first two are good. Was hungry, adjective. Didn't eat, verb in the past. Wasn't eat, no. Now we have another verb together with was. We do not do this in English. She didn't eat lunch. She was hungry. He was lucky. He won a lot of money. He was won a lot of money. No. Sentence number 1 is good. Was, adjective. He was lucky. Sentence number 2 is good. Won, past tense verb. He won a lot of money. Sentence number 3, he was won? No. I do not put another past tense verb after was. The roads were dangerous. It snowed. It was snowed? No. The roads were dangerous. Why? It snowed. So, remember, when we use was or were in the past, we use an adjective after. She was hungry. We do not use another past tense verb. She wasn't eat lunch? No. She didn't eat lunch. She was hungry. Okay, I hope this video helped you to understand when to use was and were when you are speaking in the past in English. I will have another video coming soon to explain other ways we use was and were in the past. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Sam. I'll see you soon.